What is going on, guys? We are back and we are going to discuss possibly the best option selling strategy for trading earnings. I've just taken an option selling trade for earnings on ticker symbol XYZ, and I want to break it down for you guys, show you the strategy, and hopefully you guys can use this on your own trades without my help. But if you do need my help, link in the description. You guys know what to do. Anyway, here, what do you think of this here? Got a fresh trim today. That is looking pretty sick, right? Anyway, besides the point, let's just not waste any time because I like to do that quite often, and let's get stuck straight into today's video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get stuck into this little slideshow that I make. You know, I like to make these wee shitty slideshows that are honestly terrible, but anyway, earnings trade. The earnings trade, XYZ reports earnings after close, and let's have a look at the chart. That's supposed to say chart, okay? I've just realized I can't type. I've got fat fingers, but that's besides the point. Let's have a look at the chart. Okay, here's the chart. What we can see, I have identified some key levels. Okay, I have identified that there is a key level of support right here at these highs. You can see that it rejected here, found support here. We also have a nice key level here. This is a very, very nice key level, and it's a high volume traded zone. You can see there's a lot of cluster around these zones. Again here, a lot of cluster, and it's acting as support and resistance right here. So these are some key levels. So what we see is if they are our key levels, we know that's what we need to know for this trade. So let's go straight back to our spreadsheet, or not spreadsheet, sorry, our slideshow. So we can see there's big support between 75 and 72. Now we're going to use this support as a cushion. We want to be using the support as a cushion to sell these options to basically make our win rate as high as possible. Okay, it's also 13% out of the money. The downside of this trade is 13% out of the money. As long as it doesn't drop 13%, we make money. But what is the trade doing? Well, let's get further into this. We'll find out what the trade is. Right? We are going to take a ratio spread, a 1-1-1 ratio spread. Now, why is it called a 1-1-1 ratio spread? Well, you're selling one cash secured put, so that's one leg, and then you're buying a put debit spread, right? So that's two legs. So you have three legs, so it's a 1-1-1, right? Or if I was doing two contracts, I'd call it a 2-2-2. But for one contract, it's a 1-1-1 ratio spread, okay? So we sell a cash secured put, and we buy, it's supposed to, I don't know why that says put credit spread. It's supposed to say put debit spread. You buy one put debit spread. I can't even change that without exiting off this. Anyway, buy one put debit spread, and you got to make sure you collect a net credit. We don't want to be paying a debit for the trade, we're collecting a credit. So even if we're wrong, we're right. You know what I mean, guys? Even if we're wrong, we're right. It's all part of trading. Well, if only it was all that easy. But anyway, here's the exact trade I took. I sold the 72.5 put, and I bought the 76.75 put debit spread. I collected $53 with a max profit of $153. Now, if XYZ falls below my strikes and I have to take assignment of the shares, well, look at my break even. My break even's all the way down at 70.97. Then I can chip away at this with rolling and with covered calls. So this put debit spread drastically drops our break even very nicely on these shares if this goes against us, okay? So we've got a 53 net credit, 153 max profit. However, I outsmarted this, okay? I outsmarted this. Possibly, we'll see whenever the market closes if I outsmarted this or not. But what I did is I actually sold a call side to this trade too. I sold the 110 naked call. It didn't require any extra buying power, so it only increases our percent return on the trade. And it is, right now, 31.3% out of the money. So it's a big move, guys. It's a big move. If this gets challenged to the upside, I will close the naked call for a loss. If we get challenged to the put side, I'm going to take assignment or roll. So that is how I'm going to manage this trade. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and you can see that anywhere within this range, so because it's $53 collected, but then I did sell the call side for $10. You can see it on the broker here. There is how it is set up. So there is the orders, and then over here is the orders on the other side. By the way, guys, we are up on this account right now 10.1k in 2 months. Come and join us. this account is public for everyone to see, everyone to view, everyone to trade with. Every single trade I make is posted. Every single one. And for you guys saying that, you know, picking pennies up in front of a steamroller doesn't work, it does work. It does work. Just got to pick the right pennies up in front of a slow-ass steamroller. That's all I'm saying. So anywhere within this range, from here all the way up to here, we make $53. And then in this little gap right here, we make 150 if we fall. And that will be if it sandwiches in between this support and resistance, we'll make 153, or 163, sorry, I forgot, because the additional credits will make $63 or $163. Thanks for watching, guys. Very quick one. This is going to be uploaded now. If you're not in the group and you see this before market closes, feel free to join. And if I get my ass handed to me here, you guys are more than welcome to watch that, and it will be kind of funny. And maybe not funny for me, not funny for my broker, but it'll be funny for you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.